Hello, boys and girls. Halloween is coming. Halloween is on the 31st of October
every year.
It's a fun and spooky celebration. Children go from house to house and say trick or treat. Now let's learn some Halloween words. Are you ready? Let's go!
Pumpkin, pumpkin. Monster, monster. Vampire, vampire. Ghost, ghost. Mummy, mummy. Skeleton, skeleton. Bat, bat. Witch, witch. Wizard, wizard. Spider, spider. Candle, candle. Black cat, black cat.
That's all for today. Bye bye, little monsters. Happy Halloween!